When we are discussing religion in general and Islam in particular, uh, we have to differentiate between Islam and Islamists or political Islam. Political Islam started early at the time of Prophet Muhammad, and then the four caliphates that follow the mission of Muhammad. From a historical point of view, all the four caliphate uh, were expansionists. They were fighters. They insisted in implementing the Islamic rule and law, Sharia, and conquer almost from Africa to Persia. Omar invaded part of the Arab Peninsula, part of Europe and Persia. The fourth caliphate, Ali, mainly struggled with the internal affairs and internal war, and in particular, all establishing the Islamic community and controlling the other believer. Mainly, most of those who did not submit to Islam were labeled as infidel. And the two group, the Christians and Jewish community, were considered the believer by the book. As such, they were given privilege as dhimis, which means being protected. The Jewish and Christian who were recognized by Islam to live in their community mainly agreed to pay a certain amount of money, which I believe you can name it existence tax, jizya, to be allowed to live in the community, practice their religion, practice their business, and almost free at their personal level, but live by the rule in the community. Understanding the Islamist and political Islam, which started right during the Prophet Muhammad, is the only religion after Christian that has all administrative level of function of the government, such as taxation, administrative, community law, common law, judiciary law, and all the component of managing a state. And all of them is based on the Islamic community. Jurisprudence, which refer to applying the common law or faqih or fiqh, is the Islamic law and Sharia, which apply to all believer. The dhimis were second-hand citizen, if you will, but they received privilege to live in the community. Understanding the Islamist and extremist is to understand this component. They do not ask you to help them. They do not want you to help them to establish their laws and their existence. Rather, they want to impose their will, their way of life to the other communities. Above and beyond those who pay tax, the existence tax, or jizya, they are all infidel. And as an infidel and non-believer, your blood is accepted, is free, and they could be punished by Sharia. So extremists basically apply the rule to the community, impose their Sharia law, and impose their community structure to all the others. They believe in expansion of their law to the globe. They are somehow internationalist, and they want the world to be ruled by the 12 Imam and by the Caliphate. The Islamic State is the reason they exist, and they are non-wavering, they are non-compromising group of people. Understanding this element, let us understand their action and how to deal with it. We will continue to discuss in other narratives. Thank you.